Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, it's going to be a very special day because after what feels like forever, finally magkikita-kita ulit kami ng friends ko. You know that feeling when life gets busy, everyone has different schedules, and before you know it, months have already passed. So, well, today is the day we are finally making time to each other again. And what makes this reunion even more special is that we are also celebrating the birthdays of our friends who were born this month. So ngayon, on our way na kami para makipagkita sa kanila. Excited na ako makita ulit sila and makipagkwentuhan, magtawanan, at syempre gumawa ng bagong memories together. Nag-meet kami sa Castillejos, Zambales before heading to our destination. From there, sabay-sabay na kami pupunta sa private villa namin para doon na mag-celebrate. So honestly, hindi lang ito about the food, the place, or the celebration. It's really about spending time with the people who have been there through different chapters of your life. So get ready for lots of fun, laughter, pagkain, and unforgettable moments because this is going to be amazing day. So let's go! Siyempre. Birthday boy.
Text na yung muscle.
Mamaya pa. Susunod.
Hindi pa muna.
Pogi talaga nito.
Birthday mo, tsaka birthday mo.
Ganda ng katawan mo, sis. I like it.
Gusto ko binidyo ka niya.
Siyempre, pang ano ng viewers ko yan.
Hoy.
So, nagkita-kita kami sa villa and nagkamustahan muna kami. Of course, outfit check muna tayo before anything else. Pagdating ko pa lang sa villa na to, nagustuhan ko na agad kasi sobrang organized niya and parang bago pa talaga. Ang ganda ng place and I feel like perfect siya for barkada trips and even family gatherings. Pagpasok namin sa loob, sobrang na-amaze ako kasi ang daming magandang features. So, may game area, malaking TV, spacious na kitchen area, and ang ganda rin ng buong place. Since hindi pa sila nakakapagtanghalian, nagluto agad kami. And busy sila sa paghahanda ng food. So, syempre, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung bathroom kasi grabe, sobrang laki and ang ganda ng interior niya. Malinis, spacious, and very comfortable gamitin. So, overall, ang ganda talaga ng villa na to. Perfect place para mag-bonding, mag-relax, and gumawa ng memories with friends and family. Now, I will show you the outside area of the villa. Meron silang garage, shower area, video okay area, and of course, the pool. Sobrang ganda talaga dito magstay. Everything you need for a relaxing gateway is here. Perfect for bonding with friends and family. Honestly, I would definitely bring my family here next time because the place feels so comfortable, spacious, and sulit for a staycation. This place can accommodate up to 8 people, so perfect siya for small groups, barkada, or family staycation. Meron din silang air conditioning para comfortable kahit mainit, and my veranda area where you can relax, chill, and enjoy the view. Habang hinihintay namin yung iba naming kasama, naisipan muna namin ni Jowa na lumabas para kumain and bumili ng fresh fruits sa bayan ng Castillejos. Quick gala muna kami habang nag-aantay, then balik ulit kami sa Vira para makapag-banding sa kanila. Hindi ko na nga na-videohan yung mga ganap kanina kasi naging busy ako and mas pinili ko na lang i-enjoy yung moment at makipag-banding sa mga friends ko. And ayun, bagsak na yung mga kasama ko dahil sa pagod, kakain, at syempre kunting inom. Sobrang dami naming food, hindi na talaga namin naubos kasi mas na-enjoy ng lahat yung kwentuhan at chikahan. Minsan talaga mas okay din na i-enjoy muna yung moment kaysa laging hawak yung camera. After kong kumain ng kumain, sinilip ko muna yung mga kasama ko kung okay pa sila. And ayun na nga, sobrang busy sila sa kwentuhan, tawanan, at syempre sa kanilang inuman. Tapos, May nakita akong snacks kaya dali-dali ko rin tinaray kasi mukhang masarap. While eating, nakikinig lang ako sa mga kwentuhan nila kahit medyo hindi ako nakaka-relate sa topic. So after nun, dahil mabilis ulit ako nagutom, nagluto ulit kami ng egg at hotdog. Simple lang pero masarap lalo na kapag kasama mo yung taong gusto mong kasama. Good morning! Gumising ako ng 9 a.m. kasi may work ako ng 10 o'clock so medyo nagmamadali na ako. And nag-breakfast muna ako ng mabilis para may energy bago mag-start sa work.